time I had the anti-LGBTQ bill about parliament, I was a Akufo Addo Eden in Sashasi. The last guy, this foolish boy, a dirty riffraff, unbuilding bibi on a brabum. The school code in Uncle Sheno. And Afenyo-Markin catcher they say, yo, Osnoma me ho. Into Uncle no for case no enquasha court. Send a beya, Osnoma me ebetnaso. And at the last guy, Eddie case we call court. What Akufo now buying a year and they say they cut the parents out. Now, I'm not sure why this man is a liar. You see this document. Now let's kill another gendarme. The next gendarme no about PTA and Haruna Idrisu and the minister Oshe Adusiaso education. So now Haruna Idrisu recently made a statement about PTA and yen yina how a PTA abwa schools ewo Ghana. Sibia teachers, any parents, schools, any parents are coming together. Sometimes financially they support schools, and we have seen schools more. In fact, the impact of PTA, and I say how they have been able to help our educational. So when Nyabutra Obagin said the impact of PTA is small and yet very impactful. PTA, Parents Teacher Association, so collaboration from time I started in the scene, it has helped develop schools a lot. In fact, for some time now, you will say the parents, they were taken out of our education, especially when it comes to senior high schools. At the point to be the parents did not have a say in our education. It became just the teachers and the government. Now, what was happening? They say the government was taking decisions for the teachers without the consent of the parents. I don't know who say school because the collaboration was between the government and the teachers. The parents who are going to object to decisions made by the government and the teachers, those parents were cut out because Akufo the MPP for the agenda 111 it wasn't an idea ever benefiting Ghana for Nkwara. It was a political thing. They just wanted to sell an idea, but implementing it practically, they knew say so the parents ne kan sa agenda free SHS no implementing na enya papa no the parents who speak. They deliberately decided to cut the parents out of our education when it comes to second cycle education. SS no. Free SHS no start here no. Parents did not have a say. Parents who are eduane demand ba onim baby anibada onim omni access to day-to-day running of the schools. Akufo some political headmasters. They were the ones running our education in the name of free SHS. We say, na ye man kurano nkwasi eduane, na ye feeding kurano na be wu. Na the parents could not do anything because what Akufo now buying a year and they say they cut the parents out. Haruna Idrisu came to power, obey education minister, and Okatakyie Ghana for say it will be very important to add parents to your school because I was say Akufo who senior man day in day out the omudi the omobeshe baby omobeda ensu omudi dware I was say Akufo play a role and intina about 8 years ni NDC were opposition because we needed to review the free SHS because I was see the teach Akufo account I was say jeje adwenkyere na yedi ye ne yie in time na Mahama ne NDC Professor Nana Opoko Eka review these were the things they were talking about. You cannot cut parents out of a child's education. They wanted the parents to be part of the education. They can also direct. Parents are omoboa teachers. They are not taking control. They are just basically an advisory body. They help. Sometimes financially. PTA edisika day etu schools emane schools no. So why would the government say we don't need parents to be part of our kids' education? In the Haruna Idrisu education minister will say no. PTA to be reintroduced into our educational system. Into Haruna Idrisu catch a Ghana for dabi. The reason why Krampoti and free SHS engineer and national say ye for the free mu into Nkorani be Krampoti no more respect on our because they saw say our phone did not have a say in their education. Normally, say akora ko school na say ohuni ma me kura na ne papa wo school so oba PTA and no keke no onim say there's some supervision. Onim say the teacher ebetima report no. Onim say de obi is in charge. the moment I be trust the kids feel say the parents do not have any control on the education. Into we say the school any enkorano any aban no kwa na edili. Into akorano yare a awofo ni most akorano wu. Say school ni hospital papa clinic ni wo awofo na also kasem me clinic papa e man nya good health care no awofo na etwa magu na nkorano wu eduane na enye. See how na do so aba and also no. We need to reintroduce because Akufo Addo Abino, they took out PTA, which was dangerous and which is still dangerous. Now, something has happened. They be Amekacha say MPP for Jimmy. MPP for followers, 90% of them they are foolish, they are ignorant. Majority are illiterate. MPP for party no in Penifone who say followers ne Jimmy, they know. Afenyo-Markin, when him say 90% of MPP followers Jimmy, he knows. And they always feed them with idea be exciting. Now, you know, Papa we on in a year MP or your former education minister, not a deputy, or so your suffer. Yep, one of the dishonest nipa on kanu krewa asasi we swa onyankopon eni se o man space bia wo na hiniema ya sakwa we. On in a ma and the inkofobia setia Christosum or saso your suffer. One of the most despicable foolish men in Ghana today. I'll show you the reason why in Tiameka we were Jimmy for. He's not supposed to be entertained. I am a ya say Obia ni ashane suffer road and I'm Ghana. No I'm trim fu no kekan kwasiasem. This guy was the deputy education minister. In kwasiade course of Ghana nyina in kwara wu school. Ye mo poisoned rice. Any other dinner. This guy was supervising it. Akwa we so enyaminipa. Now, how you do Subeka say we need to bring back PTA no quickly and a suffer convo we are on kanokre or say nobody abolished PTAs. What we did was abolish PTA levies. Or see on the time and or yeah education minister no on a country LED education no they never abolished PTA. In fact, the Oma abolish here they say they abolished PTA levies. We or American Muslim on we preko and so no preko nkwan. Man kobi party ni wan kobi intiaka party ni wan sama ede na okebi onso ekwasia osi o PTA no omo abolish na emom omo levies ni abolish e na me say party ni wan kobi inti e ka de si o party na so a ede na wanu dem wa wo so won preko ede na onum preko nkwan se PTA ro wa abolish a then na PTA no abolish of levies no. Obetimika say we did not abolish the PTA, but we abolished their levies. The PTA basically they support the schools. In fact, unsesima yendi yaw. Say Kenya the financial supporter, any the advisory supporter PTA at the schools now. We would have never considered PTA to be part of a school and I say building education in Ghana. The reason why we need PTA, there are so many reasons in here PTA. We need them at a point that schools need here financial help. Almost to step in, they pay, they help, they sustain. Almost here advisory help. PTA, I will follow to be TM, almost to do advice. So you cannot tell me, say, why you need to get a why then? Why abolish levies? No, now PTA no abolish it. Now I'm not sure why this man is a liar. You see this document. This is a statement. Council rejects Parents Association once PTA maintained. Where year 2024 January. Time omucha PTA muno. PTA council no eba out be catcher buying say. You guys should not take us out. We are part of education in Ghana. Into Usha. PTA for no crampo eba until we release this statement catcher buying say you cannot cut us out of our kids' education. This story was reported by Air Joy on the 17th of January 2024. But Sa Kwana also a soft catcher Ghana for say Oma abolish PTA no Shadia. This is a Ghana Education Service document. Mummy read the document we na me mountia says sa papa na your friend of Fort Joe Sedena or ye Asin South MP no. Or you're one of the most foolish people in this year that they come back to parliament. On Senko for no, I'm just say Ghana for Jimmy. Now, Mummy Uncle Ghana Education Service, did they basically take out PTA from how from running our schools. Momianko document in Team Fodio. Now, this is what the document says, and this is a GES document. Who read the document? It says this: recent past developments. The Heads and Parents Teacher Associations (PTAs) had always collaborated in the past in the prioritization of projects and activities for execution in schools. It was, however, not until 2013 that schools' heads were made signatories to PTA accounts. The latter opinions. Sorry, let me take this again. The Heads and Parents Teacher Associations (PTAs) had always collaborated in the past in the prioritization of projects and activities for executions in schools. It was, however, not until 2013 that school heads were made signatories to PTA accounts following recommendation by the Auditor General. In the latest opinion, PTA funds remained public funds and needed to be subject to audit. Prior to this, PTAs operated their own accounting systems without references to the school's head. This created serious financial challenges in some schools. It is in light of this that heads were directed by the Auditor General and the Director General of Ghana Education Service to get involved in the management of the finances of the PTAs to restore sanity. Now, so we read the document, this is what you see. In the recent past, there have been some developments within the operations of PTAs which thwarted government's effort at ensuring universal access to education, specifically at the senior high school level. These have been related to imposition of levies which have led to the denial of some students access to academic work or school facilities and structure by virtue of some parents either refusing or unable to contribute to the activities of PTAs. Some PTAs instituted outrageous levies which sought to defeat the purpose for which the free SHS policy was introduced. In the same vein, the PTA levies affected the free compulsory basic education, that's FQ, policy at the basic school level. It made some children to drop out of school as a result of the inability of their parents to pay such levies. Now, in response to these developments, the management of Ghana Education Service, and that is the part that we have actually marked red. So part now I'm marking red now. This is what it says. In response to these developments, the management of Ghana Education Service, and that's what it says. A, suspended the imposition of levies in all schools. B, directed the reorganization of parent-teachers associations to parent-teachers parent associations, that is, to limit the involvement of management and staff of the schools. Management has therefore developed the PA guidelines as follows. Now, what they did, MPP Abane said, one, like the guy said, or say, they did what? They suspended the imposition of levies in all schools. Into PTA levies, and they went on to do what? They directed the reorganization of Parents Teachers Association, that is PTAs, to Parent Association. So what they did was, after they took away the levies, they also stripped the Parents Teachers Association. They took the parents out and make it they took the teachers out and make it only Parents Association. So there was no collaboration between the parents, the teachers. What the Akufo government and the country and the for Omuye and they say, Omuye levies free one, and they strategically they separated the teachers from the parents. Into the parents did not have a say when the government and the teachers took decisions. Technically, you as a government, you have taken out the parents. In the Okatakyie say you directed the reorganization of Parents Teachers Association (PTAs) to Parent Association. Then you are trying to tell me say the collaboration between teachers and parents, you have taken it away. You are basically making them independent. You are making them autonomous. Now they cannot collaborate to basically get to that point whereby they can both come to a conclusion about the kids, their future. Haruna Idrisika said he wants to reintroduce PTA. He wants to bring teachers and parents together to think and come out or come up with solutions that will help the education of the kids. You cannot take levies and you cannot separate the teachers from the parents. What you need to do is, if even you take the levies out, the parents and teachers are supposed to be thinking together. They are supposed to collaborate to get to the bottom of problems and also get solutions to problems. So Okatakyie say you did not scrap PTR, then you are basically lying to the Ghanaian people. If you did not have any problem with Parents Teachers Association, then why did you reorganize it? Because when you reorganize something, it means its original form was not right. You did not like it. For when you review education, it means there's something being done which isn't right that needs to be corrected. If you reorganize, then it means in its original form, you did not like it. You want it to be done in a different way. And that is what we are talking about to say. It means that during the MPP era, PTA, Mugu, and Haruna Idrisu NDC for say they are going to bring the PTA back. There should be a collaboration between teachers and parents. The money aspect is one thing. But when the teachers and parents don't have a collaboration, they cannot reason together. They cannot think about the kids, their education. Then that disconnects, and then the enkorano sebio omutumia di omoye. It is very important to say, politicians, as a political party and as a politician, about enkwara education, you are not supposed to play politics with it. These are the documents. What actually caused the redirection? What made you people reorganize? What caused the reorganization? One way levies nephew. Why don't you keep the name? Why don't you keep the PTA? Why do you take teachers out of the Parents Association? Because you don't want the parents to have direct influence and direct access to omunkora education. Into the NDC say they are bringing PTA. I was say awofo ne den. Awofo no any teachers no esia e discuss omunkwara no education. It is a what to say sa papa we sa man we ojina TV so catch will say PTA no MPP time omo ntwema oye sofo kromfo mo china mo hwena sum mo china mo hwena sum mumbusa ne say. So if you reorganized, what made you reorganize? Because you cannot change something from its original form when you don't have a problem with it. You had a problem with it, that's why you reorganized it. What was the problem? You didn't want the parents to be complaining about the bad food. You didn't want the parents to be telling Ghana for say you didn't want the parents to tell Ghana for say Akufo's free SHS is bad. So you blacked out the parents. Now deliberate, almost share that, because no one per se parents ebenya control of omunkwara education. That is why under Akufo any MPP free SHS the awofo no omuni say they deliberately took out PTA. Senka PTA very effective and can kwasiade ehu no under Akufo free SHS nka ehu enkwara di poison rice and can see. But because they knew what they were doing business with our kids, they took the parents out and they said, Parents Association and then teachers. You don't do that. The teachers and parents are supposed to work together at the end of the day, find solutions to problems. And that is what Haruna Idrisu and the NDC are saying. Oh yeah, NDC for say they want to be part of Oba school. How Oba yebe reason eduane obedi the welfare any other it's important. Way on yourself, papa. Now, my mentor, the couldn't tell me this house of Kromfo. You see this man, and the last guy, me catch them say the last guy we a crobia and kebesi na buo. Me na me catch them mo Christopher am na nam Ghana na mo nka no kre no. Mo Christopher am na nam Ghana na mo nka no kre no. And ye de nkremufo ye Ghana fo mo dodo mo nka no kre. Kwase ampanyi we. Time I had the anti-LGBTQ bill about parliament. I was a Akufo kwasi ampanyi eden in Sashase. And Afenyo-Markin on a share we school on a gabi. Omokache kwasi ampanyi we say uncle court na uncle stopping. And the last guy, this foolish boy, a dirty riffraff, on building bibi on a brabum, the school code in Uncle Sheno. And oye Juma wa Afenyo-Markin law firm. And Afenyo-Markin catch the say, Sebio Osunoma me wo. Inti onko no for case no enko hye court send ebe ya eye osono maame ebetena so and the last guy edi case we call court na parliament ejine Akufo ado se onfa ne nsan hye trumu sa bill no na trumu yensia no Ghana Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo eka kire say omni MPP fo nyina ko parliament ka say asem no court omuntumi nya ho hwe kwase ampanyi we ende aban asesa wakoko Okatakyie case ni so ondi onto case ni so biem trumu no ende omuma president Mahama mpase so odi omo yemo we ekuro bia nko se sinabo but democracy nti democracy nti untumi nkasa enye democracy anka kuro bia nka sinabo ku no but democracy nti untumi nkasa on say Akufo-Addo free aban mu a MPP NDC wini na also case no onto aso we case every court nti and the evanko parliament in Sanfa case ni bra na yemfa nko na Mahama nsan kwasiafo we na mudidi omochi kwasia we ade be che no ti asori dem so obo mpa ya kire nyankopon ben. These are the things we talk about every day. These are political ingrates. We mono we krobia nkobia bonitimu tuo because you see politicians use these people to destroy nations. I'm telling you. Momo de kana na bi wa monti ase. Akufo-Addo be chem shege 8 years won si bi ekoye. These people ekrobia anka they will not go home. They wasted everybody's time. They destroyed what we have all come together to agree on. And today, Sesiano, Afenyo-Markin Akatye no court no koyi case no kasa on to case no subiem. Enti ensan from bra na yan hwesa Mahama be sign na. This was deliberate. And you see, the collaboration was between Afenyo-Markin, Akufo-Addo, and the Supreme Court. Some of the judges, they collaborated. Some of the judges at the Supreme Court catch Akufo-Addo say, "Oma Afenyo-Markin fa boy we enfa case ni bra no montenaso." Because they Akufo-Addo also signing, but they knew say they did not want to sign. And kwasia we enti ade bechina stupid boy wait city news on all discuss Ghana development, but he is a hindrance to our development. This fool or a hindrance to Ghana's development. Anytime I catch you say, okay, say same way by anti-LGBTQ case by sa papa we abiem. Sofu we asen south for a Christopher Amugo. Kwasi ampen you with a demonim. Time a case ne ba ya na ye say I was say omugitum ne yakọ sign na trumutum eyifro sa software tina parliament ka say omompene. Oh ye de yentumi nya hwe ye de yen support Sam George na ye bibi NDC for na ye bibi and the kwasi ampanyi say oh Mahama badia ye sadik bill na ba ema Mahama sign kwasi wetumi gina ni penim so oye sofo na ono the Bible no kan no different from the meme kan ana and the sa for Joey asin south for MP no time na MPP was no I can't say ever trumu no yanko sign na yanjin tum say member obi aye trumu o Ghana no or tina parliament can say yenye mu so was supporting wanye mu so obeka say e was say Akufo-Addo signing wanye and no tete ya ma e de Akufo-Addo free power omni case ni ko share court ade achi ese dela enko yi case no ono so by so yesi ade ye pese ye de parliament biem na Mahama signing we onye nipa also kuta Bible so nyankopon ku ne totwene we or ye ingrate or ye hypocrite ye mfana nchechire man Jimmy for we na odi wanim say MP oni any sense bi a kire ne say our principles bi or the body bra enti o woni constituencies so mo Jimmy and na odi de bibi a friend reverend ato nanim oh medium ye suffer or reverend ne wan e Christopher amukọ na asore kwase ampan wetina parliament Okatakyie Ghana for say Akufo-Addo ne MPP wo power nko ade trumu ne ensan ade akyen ade a so me na me bedi anim abuofunu nyankopon ku ntontwene abuofunu nyankopon ku ntontwene na saa ne esom nyame a ankete ya ade we baye ye say Christopher nyina mu nyina mo me support na kwase aweti parliament why dwom Mr. P team stay with me kwase ampan you are not to parliament why dwom adentra oh say a politics satana ni refi ni nyankopon satana ni refi ni Bible no satana ni refi say oyo nyame adwuma na oye kwase ya ni triwu fin say fulani na ase Samira na ase ni tribu fize Samira na ase pele Jimmy for and then we are introducing you and who are introducing what are you introducing nigga and then I will introduce you. The first one I will introduce why didn't you push it why didn't you come out to say ye say Akufo-Addo achichide de be sign kwase ato mo na me die Christopher atem moma nipa bi ka say Christo som no enye osoma wo say nipa die akire kwasi afo ti say na wo Christopher so ma say Paul Breso anka esi wabo kun Paul Breso a anka esi wabo ke de wo ma wo wutiri makun and the monya na efo na mode Reverend Eda Dankofo mode Bible da Dankofo kwasi ato ene de wo de ko parliament na hwan na akosan koto de ne bodwe wenimu round say wo mafunu kwasi abegina ho yes how they call parliament. You had all the opportunity as a member of parliament. Your people in your constituency, they said let make sure that the president signs it. Odo kwasi atrankan de jantrafo one support it. Who things up apofi. You never supported this. Adia chia dia 10 year boa na aba yanko wansani ane de kwasi abeka se on do Ghana. Moji se de bia na benya de afu. Me think a poor time na ke ba wo se wu ye ba wo se fufu. But democracy nti. Because of democracy now ma chama de bi. Oh story way. Free SHS. NPP4 back and forth from day one. I'm the free SHS buyer. I'm the DSC in there. It's exactly 4:58 p.m. That is a year 9:58 in Ghana. NPP4 edit a year free SHS buyer. In out. Now Shadie. How na Idris ni NDC for about power. From day and Akufo the free SHS buyer almost a nipa 5.7 million. And now I enjoy free SHS. Every platform they were telling us a nipa 5.7 million. That means to say every budget BIA de beba e Ghana and they could forward from 2017 na omo den omo projected for nipa 5.7 million. It is a $10 million. It was because of $5.7 million. And for the past 8 years, these people never told us to say it wasn't 5.7 million people who were benefiting from free SHS. Now, free SHS beneficiaries, not 5.7 million. The actual figure is 3.5 million. We are Joy News Research and Haruna Idrisu's office. They have also done an audit, head count. They came to that realization, say, Sa 5.7 million Akufo we kache de bia say nipa 5.7 million ako free SHS no mo boa. And alone means somebody has stolen from us. The free SHS secretariat, the people who were leading it, they need to be questioned. Now we have come to the realization. Yen nyina be hu say Nana Addo Akufo Addo oni Agama Lizard, any bodam Kennedy mo, any MPP aban Jimmy Disana Pomo, a Jimmy form county, they deceived us for 80 years. Now, unim de yawa semwe mu hade. At 2024, TO, we a former spokesperson for the education ministry, TA. Education ministry and MPP for ministry, former government ya education ministry na country da no, and na sofo kwasi ampenyi ye deputy no. Spokesperson no, and the 2025 Tiasmo can or say as at 2024, that is when they were in power, free SHS beneficiaries stood at 3.5 million and not 5.7 million. Intine beto abai da ben out say MPP for Gina stage so I catch the Ghana for say only 3.5 million people were beneficiaries of free SHS. Omo can be mauti. Mr. S, Mr. P, team, get me something. Me see until say NDC ba power any who say say nipa 5.7 million and enjoy free SHS. But Nana Addo Akufo Addo, Mahamudu BAWUMIA, Kennedy Japan, MPP as a political party or say Chairman Sabonsu, and this group of criminal entity. Sanko Fuekache said nipa 5.7 million. And the former spokesperson said, oh, then you 5.7 million. Nemum na 3.5 million. Then it means to say, from day one, these people, they have been lying to us. So where did the remaining bare 1.4 million or say where did it go? What the finance say 4 million. Into sa 1.7 million dasono sa budget ne ko he. What the finance say 4 million. Into 1.7 million na ekaya na mo de to so no. Sa 1.7 million where did the money go? Napo has to go to jail. Adutwum, he has to go to jail. These are criminals. These are criminals we are not supposed to give any power to again. We are not even supposed to listen to these animals. And the NDC as a government, Menoka say, a forum is going on in Ghana. Forum near day, how to review our education. This is what a government does. For 8 years, John Mahama, Professor Nano Pokuajima Akufo, and the BAWUMIA say, let us review our education. Especially free SHS. The moment BM. Nobody is going to cancel free SHS. Kwame Nkrumah Brasso na free SHS buy. So we should sit down and really look at it. Nana do danko Akufo kwasi ampenyi no ne BAWUMIA jimi ne ka kire say John Mahama so betwa free SHS mu. Emma party mwa MPP party toilet mu mwa say ai Mahama betwa free SHS mu party no mwa jimi. Ah Ewurade Nyankopon. Me see, sa ade na friend MPP no, sa aboa na friend MPP no. Omo di ekire no, omo jimi. So Akufo de BAWUMIA mo upon school almost no, they could not explain review to the MPP base. You know the reason? They knew. Akufo de himself MPP for Jimmy. Na party no mun Jimmy e de no ko chairman won tumi as a regional chairman. Party no say mu dodo nipa dodo mu mun Jimmy ya. Eye de no mu ko chairman won tumi so onye regional chairman. Kwasi ampenyi say nye Jimmy no mu Jimmy a. Eye de no mu ko obi say ahagba to be their director of communication. Obi ti say owusu bempa and there's the owusu bempa kotrenwa ni hu fi we. So you can see clearly say the hierarchy of the party omomudi party ni no omo party for this omo Jimmy base no, but you see all is not lost. This is what is happening. John Dramani Mahama ne NDC for about power no, so wunima there's something going on now in Ghana. Ebia unti mami chirechire mu nchiro a 8-member team given 2 weeks to plan National Education Forum. Sesi amenoka say koso someone can jiremo. Aha. Sesi omu meet stakeholders. Abaya John Mahama di enim one Professor Nano Pokuajima di enim no. They have basically, thank you very much Mr. S. Meeting this Mr. S, can you get me the story itself? I want to read the story itself because unim we want to kill Jandam Biwa senebe Ghana for behu. Nana do danko Akufo Onua nkasa in the State of the Nation address. Asama Okatakyie ni we facts don't lie. Nana do danko Akufo 5.7 million youth have benefited from free SHS program. Akufo data show Friday the 3rd 2025. Story no January 3rd, which is Friday. And I'm publish a story no. Now, President Akufo has praised the transformative impact of his government-free SHS initiative. Now, the caption and the source is Ghana Web. Now, Nana Danko Akufo 3rd of January. Na okasa before the 7th of January ye best swear Mahama no Nana Danko Akufo achichide jimi ne ka kire say nipa 5.7 million and am benefited from free SHS and almost spokesperson and de omo aban mu nipa say 3.5 enti omo ne president one kwasia. I am asking the former spokesperson Ghana Education Service, Ministry of Education, any Akufo one kwasia. The president in his last State of the Nation on Wankasani's speech before Mahama was sworn in January 3rd, because Mahama by power January 7th. Nana Akufo the last statement Okatakyie Ghana for nipa 5.7 million. Into the question is, why na kwasia wa ha? Akufo and I say a spokesperson. Now let's read the story. Kelvin Now this is the story. Let me read the story, the full story. Mami read this story and show no jandam. Because Akufo and Kasa 5.7. Why not show 5.7 man? Now this is the story. When Akufo the speech, let me read it. I say, and I quote, "We have transformed education, and there can never be a reversal of the fact that 5.7 million young people have gained access to secondary education who would otherwise not have had the opportunity but for free SHS and free TVET, he stated, end of quote. These are the words of Akufo Addo. Nana Akufo Addo on the 3rd of January. On one day, Anoka said, Nipa 5.7 million. The other Kwasi Ampenyi Beka just said 3.5 million. Did I write a speech for Akufo Addo? Kwasi Ampenyi about cocaine no general kan kwasi nam trobano. He told us in his own words, say, we have transformed education and there can never be a reversal of the fact that 5.7 million young people have gained access to secondary education who would have otherwise not have had the opportunity but for free SHS and free TVET. End of quote. Kwasi Ampenyi eye achichidie Akufo Addo ne ka kire. So is the president lying? Is the president of the republic, the former president, was he lying? More MPP for me and Kwasiafo, and nobody's supposed to give MPP any hearing ear because just a kind of way Jimmy to some followers. These are facts. Unless say more another speech be a yente da. I could for the because I can make my team pull the video for you to hear for yourself. Mrs. If you have time, bring me that video. Inti sa story where I can hande say a free SHS we no. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo, where is the story? Inti sa story way yeka say nipa 5.7 million. Ana Akufo Addo ne BAWUMIA mo ka kire say omo beneficiaries of free SHS no. Why na say your boy? Because president na be na no kan he. Ana president wa bodam no bekeka sansam ne kire. Akufo Addo Kwasi Ampenyi. Ana omo mudi Akufo Addo echi ana mo education minister no Kwasi no ka kire say kan Kwasi asem. You people should not underestimate our intelligence. Ye busa say nipa be 2.2 million na aka we kire na wen. Sa 2.2 million no. Sa sika because the money sa budget na ye na de man nipa 5.7 no. Ye pese ye 2.2 na and ye hu om sa sika no why na di ye. Where did the 2.2 million budget? Sa sika de man sa nipa 2.2 million for 8 years no. Sa nipa no mo wen, where are they? We want to know because Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo catch say nipa 5.7 million and I didn't make this up. He said it. Into when and Niminyan so between Ghana for say Akufo Addo ankasa. Mr. S, give me the video before I move forward. Me team the video ni Ibrahim send makomenim because we want you people to understand. The John Mahama ni NDC for you know. Masa, you will be that. This is the best government I own. Akufo Addo mo Jimmy. Never listen to the MPP. So you're going to down the MPP here. Where Jimmy? Because the people are liars. They don't respect you. So where Jimmy? And they always think say they can just lie and walk. You cannot just lie and walk. You need to prove whatever you say. That is why we make sure say we support it with evidence for Ghana in our shop and say, Kelvin, you are right, and you have a reason for insulting these fools. Because I'm never going to stop unless say Jimmy no. So omu jai jandam no omu kanu krechere Ghana for no omu kanu krechere omu base na. I will never tell any MPP ni bi say with Jimmy. But I can see clearly say, thank you Mr. S, thank you for bringing in the video. Let me play the video for you to hear. Thank you team. My team just sent me the video. I really appreciate this. Thank you guys. Now my member video ni chiro. Na hu say Akufo Addo nanka say na kafri na num kwasiafo. This is the video. Thank you Mr. S.
We have transformed education, and there can never be a reversal, of the fact that some 5.7 million young people have gained access to secondary education who would otherwise not have had the opportunity, but for free SHS and free TVET. Education, and there can never be a reversal. And there can never be a reversal of the fact that some 5.7 million young people have gained access to secondary education who would otherwise not have had the opportunity, but for free SHS and free TVET. Indeed, my administration has also prioritized technical and vocational education. And there can never be a reversal, of the fact that some 5.7 million young people have gained access to secondary education who would otherwise not have had the opportunity, but for free SHS and free TBET.
And inside the American say MPP for more Jimmy. I keep telling you people. And we are going to use their own words to judge them. Anytime can say Afenyo-Markin, when we say MPP for no, 90% of you more Jimmy. And that's what I'm saying, say, you people, you are not ready for power again. Mobedi power, mobedi opposition by 48 years. You know why? Because you are not willing to speak truth. Munye ready say mobe kanu kre achre mu base no. Munye ready say mobe mo mati asie say sebio eden mu twa omontro. Na na do danko Akufo de make his statement ni wie no. And eden the education minister. Listen. And there Nana Akufo Addo no ono ye president no okachire mu sen. And Kenti said free SHS beneficiaries are 3.5 million, not 5.7 million. We February 14th, 2025. Eti Nana Akufo Addo make his speech, you know. Kwasia be na chiroma. Because this is Akufo Addo, and this is his education minister. Akufo Addo on the 3rd of January, or see 5.7. And then February, no, the former education minister na Onua trust speech me Akufo Addo no, or see 5.7, 3.5. Why na ye kwasia wa ha? This is Akufo Addo against his former education minister.
We have transformed education, and there can never be a reversal, of the fact that some 5.7 million young people have gained access to secondary education who would otherwise not have had the opportunity, but for free SHS and free TBET. Transformed education, and there can never be a reversal, of the fact that some 5.7 million young people have gained access to secondary education who would otherwise not have had the opportunity, but for free SHS and free TBET. Indeed, my administration is also...
Who is stupid here? Inti mikasa mu yankwasiafo a obeka se Kelvin, Kelvin Taylor, Kelvin Taylor di penyina atam omo agimi. These are two old men. These are people you gave power to, you entrusted. You said omo nim nyansa, they should lead you. These are two old men. Kwasiafo mienu, look at them. Look at these fools. Now to Okatakyie say, hey, the taxpayer is not supposed to tell these people they are foolish. Who is stupid here? Who wrote the speech for Akufo Addo? And your country natural speech in the man. Akufo Addo, does he work at Ministry of Education? Into when the president was speaking, who wrote the speech for the president? When it came to education, wasn't it country? Why is country telling us 3.5 million? And he tell me say we are using strong words. Where do you give me some word Jimmy? They think you people are stupid. And they keep playing you people. Anytime Kacham say, the NPP can never come to power as long as Yenya Tiasi. Menewo Tiasi. They can never. You know why? Because Ghana, Yenjimi Biemo, we will be asking questions. We will be pushing the system. We will be telling them to tell us the truth. We will be questioning in the status quo. We will be making sure the right thing is done. Memaka, I defend only good governance. 50 days of John Mahama, I will defend it because everything looks perfect to me. But how can I trust fools like these? Adutwum, Kwasiafo be catch yourself. BAWUMIA Jimmy, Yamfe Adutwum ko. Adutwum is a liar. Akufo is a liar. BAWUMIA is a bloody fucking liar. Why should I entrust a country's future in the hands of such foolish old men? Adentina mentam krono man Kwasiafo say. They don't even know what they are saying. So 2.6 million no, sani panomo wing.